Okay. I do that all the time. I see somebody I think I know. I go start talking to them. I'm like, hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. How you been? And then, and then they look at me. They give me this strange look, and that's when it hits me like, oh, I got the wrong person here.
Sometimes my child is mistaking somebody else to thinking that this is his father, but yeah, you know.
That is funny. Sometimes you see your little kid, like they're not really looking, and they start nugging on somebody's like jacket or holding somebody's leg, and they don't realize that's not their mommy or daddy.
Maybe he sees some kind of a, let's say, approximately ugly guy with beard and bald head. Yeah, this is my father.
Okay. All right. Here, last question for you before we jump into it. Here, what would constitute a perfect